Hello, English students. This is Mrs. Gonzalez here. Um, I wasn't able to be in class today because I was called out to grade essays at MCOE, that's Merced County Office of Education, for the multilingual proficiencies seal. However, I wanted to make a video to help you understand what's expected of you today. I miss all of you. I wish I were there right now. I had no idea that I had to do this. So it was at the last minute, but I wanted to at least go over the agenda to let you know what was expected of you. So just to begin, I'm just going over the agenda. Um, you had to work on assignments. Those are in the independent practice. Um, the first thing here is an attendance. Please be in your seat so that roll will be taken by the substitute. I also want to let you know if you're missing assignments or if you need to, so you need to make up work, or um, if you're thinking about going to the after school program to be able to have extra time to get your work done. I've went ahead and embedded the impact referral form here for the after school program so that you can get work done. You need to do at least 2 hours a week. But in any case, here's the form. It was in here, it was on the agenda yesterday as well. And all you have to do is fill it out and submit it. And as you can tell here, just fill it out, answer the questions when you can attend. You have to at least, like I said, attend 2 hours a week. Make sure you fill it out and press submit. Okay. The next thing you got to do is you need to make sure that you're doing your vocabulary and grammar openers. The sub will go ahead and give you that time to do that. You have 15 minutes to get that done. Make sure you do the vocabulary, the grammar, especially the vocabulary, since you're going to be having a test pretty soon and you need to practice that vocabulary. But I want to make sure that you look at the independent practice, the same thing as with yesterday. You have to do A, B, and C. I'm going to add another assignment, but that's probably tomorrow that I'm going to add it. And then after we do that last assignment that it's due, then that's when you'll be taking your test. So the first thing that you got to work on is the pages 11 through 16 that's in your Ed Interactive workbook. So you need to have your workbook. That's what you should be working on today. And that's due on September 30th on Tuesday. Now you might think that you have a lot of time, but there's maybe three to four, five, maybe 5 pages even where you got to get that done. There's side questions that you have to do exactly what the questions say. If it tells you to circle words on a page, if it tells you to underline something, you got to do that. If it asks you to answer a question, you got to do that. Make sure you get this done by the due date. If by some if by some way that you're already done with that, you move on to page 17 in the same workbook, that the assignment page 17, the reflect and assess, that's due on October 2nd. That's on a Thursday. It's going to be due at the beginning of the period. It's going to be stamped. Both of these things, all of these things are going to be stamped. So you need to have them done. If you get to it, you need to do pages 18 and 19 also in your workbook. And those pages are due October 2nd. Make sure you follow all the directions. If you need help, make sure you ask the sub, or you can work with someone else as long as you guys are doing your own work. Okay? You know I care about you, and I wish I were there, and I miss you guys, and I will see you tomorrow. God willing, I'll see you tomorrow. Okay? Friday, September 26th, I'm going to give you more time in class to get this done. Okay? If you have any questions, you can email me at mgonzalez@lghs.k12.ca.us. Gonzalez has 2 Z's. Okay, so make sure you get it right. It's also pinned on the whiteboard. So if you need to ask me questions, you can ask me there. Okay? Love you guys, and I miss you. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.